Hi all, in this class we can discuss about what is Poisson's equation. So, Poisson's equation is mainly used to find the relation between electric field intensity and the charge density. So, we know that this electric field intensity is the negative gradient of potential. So, if you know the potential distribution, you can easily find the electric field intensity as E is equal to minus del V. That is, electric field intensity is the negative gradient of potential, and this electric field is also we can obtain from this Coulomb's law or Gauss law. If the charge distribution is given, we can directly use the Coulomb's law or Gauss law to find this electric field intensity, and this Coulomb's law and Gauss law we can study in higher semester. So now just remember that the electric field intensity we can find from this Coulomb's law or Gauss law if the charge distribution is given. But in some practical cases, neither the charge distribution nor the potential distribution is specified. So in such cases, how we can find the electric field intensity? And that solution is the Poisson's equation. And we have another equation that is called Laplace equation. This is the special case of Poisson's equation. We can also see what is Laplace equation. So that's the main reason why we are using this Poisson's equation. So the Poisson's equation relates the gradient of the electric field to the local space charge at any point x. That means the Poisson's equation gives the relation between the electric field intensity and this charge density, or we can also relate this potential and the charge density. That's also Poisson equation. So we can see how we can develop this Poisson's equation. So to obtain this Poisson's equation, we are developing this equation from our Gauss equation. So just remember that according to Gauss equation, its point form is given as del dot D equal to rho V, where D is the electric flux density and rho V is the volume charge density. So this equation we can study in higher semester, and now just recall that del dot D equal to, just remember that del dot D equal to rho V. So, and this D and electric field, D is the electric flux density, and this D and the electric field intensity is related as D is equal to epsilon E, where epsilon is the permittivity of the medium. So we can replace D as epsilon E. So our equation becomes del dot epsilon E equal to rho V, or we can write del dot E equal to rho V by epsilon. So this del is nothing but the gradient. So we can represent del dot E as d by dx of E is equal to rho V by epsilon. So this equation is called as Poisson's equation, and in case of solid physics, we can represent this Poisson's equation as dE of x by dx. That means gradient of electric field is equal to q by epsilon times p minus n plus nd plus minus na minus. So that indicate the carrier concentration. So charge density, charge into this carrier concentration is the unit of charge density. So we can rewrite this Poisson's equation as q by epsilon times p minus n plus nd plus minus na minus. P is the hole concentration, n is the electron concentration, nd is the donor impurity, and na is the acceptor impurity. So in solid state physics, we can represent our Poisson's equation as dE of x by dx equal to q by epsilon times p minus n plus nd plus minus na minus. And we can also write this E as the negative gradient of potential. So then the equation becomes, we can replace this del dot E as del dot minus del V. So you will get it as del dot minus del V equal to rho V by epsilon. So in this E are replacing as minus del V. So you will get del dot minus del V equal to rho V by epsilon, or del dot del V equal to minus rho V by epsilon. So this del dot del V equal to minus rho V by epsilon, we can change this as del dot del V is del square V is equal to minus rho V by epsilon. So this del V is d by dx of V, and this del square V is the second derivative. So we can write it as d square V by dx square is equal to minus of rho V. We can replace as q times p minus n plus na minus plus nd plus minus Na minus divided by epsilon. So this equation is also known as Poisson's equation. Here we can relate the potential distribution in a region to the local charge distribution. So Poisson's equation relate the gradient of electric field to the local space charge at a region. Similarly, the potential distribution in a region is also related to the local charge distribution. So this is called Poisson's equation. So using this Poisson's equation, we can find the electric field intensity as well as the potential distribution in a region. So some cases for some regions, sometimes this rho v becomes 0. That means if the region is charge free region, then rho v becomes 0. So in that cases, this Poisson's equation is reduced as del square v equal to 0. So this del square v equal to 0 equation is known as Laplace equation. So this way we can relate the Poisson's equation to the charge density in a region, as well as we can derive this Laplace equation for charge free region as del square v equal to 0.